What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today I want to do a quick little office tour slash desk tour. These videos are pretty popular, and of course I don't have the best setup in the world, but it is a pretty decent one. So let's go ahead and take a look at everything. So first I figured I'd talk about over here in this corner. This is just some storage shelves. Over here I have all my camera stuff, my laptop sleeve, something I made way back a long time ago. This is my old MacBook Pro. Yes, I still have it. I don't want to get rid of it. But here it is. It's just kind of sitting up there right now. And then down there, that's my school stuff, which isn't too full right now because school is not in session yet, but it will be soon. So you may notice some videos being slowed down production-wise. Right here is my tripod with my GoPro on it. It's what I use to do most of my videos. Here's my office chair. I'm sorry, but I do live in Tennessee, so this camo office chair has to go in here. But anyway, it's a really comfy chair. I think I got it off of Amazon. It's pretty nice. Now for the desk. So this desk is on Amazon as well. I don't remember the name or anything. I'll have to find it. But it's a glass desk, L-shaped. It has a shelf on one side. You can put it over there too if you want it to. I chose to put it over there. But I really love this desk. You can see really your computer is supposed to go over here because there's a little, keyboard tray right there. On this side, left side of the desk, all I got is my trash can. And then this is a little storage container. This is an old Bluetooth speaker. Here is a little, I don't really know what it is. I found it at a yard sale. It's a classic car, and I really liked it, so I picked it up. Only wanted a quarter for it, and it looks great on the desk. That's a little Lionel train lamp right there. I've had it forever. I don't even use it, but it's here. That's some award I got a while back for school. My iPhone 10 box, my Tesla iPhone charger, which is really cool. This is like scale model of the Tesla superchargers, and some way you can like put your iPhone cord in it and then pull it out to charge your phone, and you can see it suctions onto whatever you want it to, but I just keep it there for looks. I don't even use it. That is my dog Woodrow right there. And if we move over here, this is really the main area where stuff happens. So we have my blue snowball microphone. I use that to do all the voiceovers on the videos because the GoPro audio is terrible unless you have an external mic. This is my cheap USBC hub. Got it on Amazon. I needed one for the new MacBook, of course. And it's just, you just plug it in one, and then you have all these ports. It has 3 USB ports on this side, an HDMI port in the back, and then on the right we have the charger connector right there, and then an SD card and a micro SD card slot. Really good, cheap hub. It was like, I think it was $14-15 on Amazon. Not too bad at all. And what I have plugged into it, we'll talk about that here in a second. Right here is the MacBook Air. You guys have seen this thing plenty of times. But yeah, there's where the MacBook Air sits. Over here in the back, we have a C7R race car model. And then back there is a external hard drive because that's where I store all the YouTube stuff. Right here is a cheap wireless phone charger. It doesn't charge fast at all, but it's nice to just set your phone down on it while you're sitting here at the desk and let it charge a little bit. I got my mouse pad with my Apple Magic Mouse, which is connected to the MacBook Air, of course. Up here, this is my secondary display. I have got to have a secondary display at all times. This is just a Vizio 24-inch TV. It works great as a second display. I used to use it as my gaming monitor on my old setup, but now my gaming stuff has been moved into the other room on a bigger TV, so I don't need it anymore, but it works great as a secondary display. Right here is the remote for the TV. And then we have several flash drives that I have. They all have a purpose, of course. This, I don't even remember where I got this, but it's like a neat little, it's like a neat little thing. It's a one USB, but you can put an SD card, a micro SD, maybe 2 micro SDs in it. But yeah, it's a multi-one memory card reader. Like I said, I don't even remember where it came from, but it does come in handy sometimes. TechieCon, that is a developers conference that was like Hawaii themed, so I got a little pineapple, pretty cool. It's like a little stress ball kind of deal. Pretty nice right there. That's also the sticker that's on my old MacBook Pro on the Apple logo. Here is my little case for my micro SD card and the micro SD card adapter. That's a little National Honor Society pen. And then over here, this is something a lot of you guys have been talking about, is the retro iHome. I got this thing a long time ago and it still works. I mean, it still works great, still sounds great, and I still use it all the time. I love it. And then this is my iPod Touch 4th generation, and I sometimes play music off of it through the iHome. I will be making a little review on this thing because it's pretty cool. This is the remote control for my desk lights, so you can of course just change it to any color you want, or you can just have it do a different like strobe color. I usually leave it on fade. It fades in and out of all of the colors. And then here's the remote for the iHome right there. A little gumball machine. It's basically just for decoration because those gumballs are beyond old. Up there is a Corvette Calendar. Corvette is my dream car, and I hope to own it within the next few years. So that's why I have a bunch of Corvette stuff. If you look over here, there's some more. Another Corvette poster, ZR1, a little ZR1 information thing right there. And then in my actual room, the whole wall is just covered in Corvette stuff. And then I also like to collect Hot Wheels. So we have a whole bunch of Hot Wheels on this shelf here. And then I have a few that I didn't want to open because I thought they were pretty special, like the Tesla Roadster in space and the Tesla Model 3, and 3 Hot Wheels edition Camaros. And then over here on this shelf, still got a little more room on this shelf, but we have the Aventador car and then the Dodge Demon. And then there's the other Hot Wheels. You can see a lot of Corvettes. I mean, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then there's like 5, 6, 7, 8. So yeah, I like Corvettes pretty much. But yeah guys, that's the desk tour. I just want to do a quick video, like I said, about it. Hope y'all enjoyed it. Be sure to subscribe. I'll catch you later.